10 reasons to switch Google Calendar for a better employee scheduling software. In our fast-moving business world, some companies depend on Google Calendar to keep track of employee schedules and tasks thanks to its easy-to-use interface and smooth integration with other G Suite apps. But, even with all its perks, Google Calendar might not be the best fit for every organization looking to improve their team calendar management game. Today we're going to dive into 10 reasons why making the switch from Google Calendar to a more specialized team management and productivity platform is a smart move. By doing this, businesses can not only simplify their day-to-day operations but also fine-tune workforce management and reach the high levels of efficiency needed for steady growth and success in today's cutthroat corporate world. In this video, we'll explore 10 convincing reasons why you might want to consider switching from Google Calendar to one of the more capable and dedicated team daily planner apps designed to address workforce management challenges. 1. Limited customization options. Google Calendar manages everyday events well, but for complex business scheduling, dedicated employee scheduling tools are necessary to handle the detailed demands. Specialized team planner tools offer features that consider employee availability, preferences, and skills, creating efficient and flexible schedules beyond the capabilities of basic schedulers like Google Calendar. By picking an employee scheduling tool crafted to tackle today's business challenges, managers can save heaps of time and resources while boosting productivity and keeping their team members happy. 2. Absence of time tracking capabilities. Google Calendar excels at scheduling events and meetings, but it misses essential time tracking for managing team progress. In our fast-paced business environment, integrating a daily planner and team scheduling is vital for time efficiency. By integrating this kind of solution with your workplace calendar, your organization can make the most of its resources and keep productivity high, all without sacrificing employee happiness or breaking any labor laws. 3. Lack of real-time updates and alerts. Modern team management apps outpace Google Calendar with instant updates, keeping teams aligned with their tasks and schedules efficiently. So, investing in these advanced employee scheduling platforms can be a game-changing decision for companies that truly care about efficiency and productivity in the daily grind. 4. Restricted integration possibilities. Dedicated scheduling apps surpass Google Calendar by syncing with business platforms, integrating HR, payroll, project management, and CRM to streamline team organization and efficiency. Centralized scheduling enhances efficiency and team communication, simplifying data-driven decisions and boosting productivity. For better team scheduling, explore dedicated platforms beyond Google Calendar. 5. Missing employee-centric features. For customer-focused businesses, engaging teams and pleasing customers is crucial. Unlike Google Calendar, specialized scheduling and to-do list apps offer team management features like training and recognition, improving employee morale and performance. 6. Inadequate data protection measures. In this digital era, data security is crucial, particularly when managing team schedules. While Google Calendar provides fundamental security features, task management apps with robust security protocols are essential, offering advanced protection for sensitive business data. With these advanced programs at your disposal, your company can truly take control of who gets access and at what level. And for businesses working with confidential data, this extra layer of security is pretty much a lifesaver. 7. Limited scalability. Google Calendar is useful for basic calendar management, but may not meet all the needs of a growing business. Fortunately, advanced daily planner tools are designed to handle these complex scheduling requirements. These tools, perfect for companies of any scale, aim to simplify scheduling with features that evolve to meet diverse business needs, from organizing personal to-do lists to managing large work projects. 8. Enhanced accessibility. Enhanced accessibility is key for optimal teamwork management, ensuring seamless connection and synchronization across devices. With the ability to conveniently access schedules and updates from any location, whether stationary or on the go, enhanced accessibility delivers a flexible experience tailored to the dynamic requirements of all users. 9. Seamless interactions. Effortless communication is essential for a thriving work setting. By removing unnecessary interruptions and motivating staff to operate both efficiently and effectively, businesses can enhance productivity and accomplish their objectives. Ultimately, seamless interactions create a well-rounded workplace where communication is valued, Progress is made collaboratively, and the end product benefits from the shared knowledge of all involved parties. 10. Other missing key team collaboration and communication capabilities. For complex team collaboration, upgrading from Google Calendar to a dedicated teamwork management tool is key, offering centralized communication and streamlined processes for growing organizations. Group chats. For swift and efficient small teams work management, group chats serve as the cornerstone of fluid communication. They are ideal for uniting team members, irrespective of their physical locations, to exchange ideas and progress on projects in a relaxed yet productive environment. Project threads. Project threads streamline management and enhance productivity, keeping teams aligned on tasks and milestones, while enabling easy sharing of ideas and quick access to vital information. File sharing. File sharing revolutionizes digital collaboration, allowing individuals and organizations to exchange documents, media, and various data types seamlessly within the same platform, ensuring everyone is in sync and can easily access essential materials. Task allocation. Getting task allocation right plays a huge role in successful employee time management. It smooths out the process of assigning responsibilities to individuals or teams and allows for real-time progress tracking. Task management apps enhance teamwork, personal tasks, and project organization with features like reminders, daily planners, and calendar integration for both work and family. Task allocation systems identify potential issues early, enabling proactive problem-solving and adjustments. They also clarify expectations, leading to improved communication and collaboration within teams. Time tracking. Time tracking is vital for team management, enabling organizations to measure time spent on tasks and predict project timelines. This data helps optimize resource allocation, identify bottlenecks, and allows management to refine processes and enhance performance. By embracing a dedicated team scheduling management tool, your company can welcome significant growth while nurturing an atmosphere filled with fantastic communication and collaboration among employees. Recap on why Google Calendar is not ideal for team management. Choosing the right scheduling tool is essential for successful team management. While Google Calendar has been a popular choice, it may not be the best option for employee scheduling. Switching to a specialized daily planner tool like AnyDo can significantly increase your business's efficiency and flexibility. This investment in teamwork management software provides a tailored resource that improves team communication and collaboration. Check the links in the description for AnyDo Team Planner app and our recent review of 10 other best calendar apps for Mac and PC this year. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos about the best modern software and AI tools.